We have another chilly night on the way for South Florida. Temperatures already cooling off. In fact, we're in the 60s across the area, 70 here and there. And we are looking at another chilly night. Not quite as cold as last night. 40 overnight in Okeechobee, 43 in Belglade, a mid to high 40s along the Treasure Coast. And we should be at 50 or just a touch above across coastal Palm Beach County. Beautiful night on the way. Obviously, bring a jacket or a sweater if you're heading out this evening. Sunshine, of course, with the extra daylight up until about 7:30, and then a starry sky and cooling off quickly after that.